Yes.
Hi, good morning, students. Today we will start the first chapter, metallurgy. The metallurgy is after studying the unit, the students will be able to the process for the extraction of the metals in the pure from the ore system referred to the metallurgy. So the describe various methods of the concentrate of ores. The crossing of grinding of ores and the concentration of ores, roasting and the grounding. So the ores are crossed in the fine powder is big jaw and the crusher is a ball mills. This process is called in the flowerizations. So another is a ball mill. The ball mill is a ores of the crushed into the fine powder is a big jars. After pulverization of the ores of concentration, the impurities, the percentage of propellants. Then another one, concentration of force. The concentration of force is a three types of method. And the first one is the concentration of centrifugation is a base of varying the density, and fourth production methods, and in the another one is the magnetic separation. Then first one is a centrifugations. The centrifugations is done the difference between the density of the ores and the impurities. Then another one is the denser of the particle settles in the grouse. The grouse, the lighter impurities in the water is surface of the separator. In the method is a powdered the over the moving table of salts. The example, the lighter impurities is separated is a ores of particles and next one the growing. Then waste is the impurities and the dust particles is a settle down. Then another one is a fourth Platterson method. The is used the concentration of ore is a sulfide ores. The fourth Platterson importance. The concentration of sulfide ores of copper and lead and zinc, and ores of fourth Platterson process copper and lead and the zinc in the methods is very useful compounds. The ore is taken is a large tank contains the oil. Then oil and water is again with the current of compressed air is separated. Then first one is the compressed air is full in pressure of the water containing the fine oils. The ores, the wetted oil is separated is impurities or gango. Is very important. From the fourth heavy particles and the like of clay and sand and etc. Then wheat is settled down. Then another one is the sulfide ores. The sulfide ores is remove the savers is a second whistle of the wash with the water. Sulfide ore is a washing, running of waters. Then another one is a magnetic separation. The magnetic separation is blue acid is a ore
Oh,
placed
yeah.